My name is Rachel Jones-Ross. I'm a landscape and astrophotographer from Calgary, Alberta. This week, I've been running a ladies-only photography workshop in the iconic Canadian Rockies.
This trip has been really hardcore. We constantly woke up at 5 a.m., got breakfast on the road, and started driving to a location to shoot sunrise. We would brave like -degree conditions to just go shoot a picture. We would trudge through the snow. We'd have to wear like micro spikes on frozen lakes, and it was really like badass to see all these girls just be like, all right, let's do this. Put on their gear and no complaints, we just go and shoot.
The women that I've invited to participate in this ladies photography retreat are all women that inspire me, hugely inspire me. Emily Mandagie is like one of those people that just leads with her heart, and that shows through her work. She and her husband run a travel blog. She makes travel accessible to people, and she was an amazing addition to my team here in the Rockies.
That was like faster than I thought it was gonna be.
Tracy Lee is a wizard with night photography. She runs the Milky Way Chasers group on Facebook and on Instagram. And I love that her whole mission is to educate people about how to shoot the Milky Way. And she does that on every single post. And Jess Santos, Miss Jess Bess on Instagram, she is also an amazing night photographer. But she's also really good with social media. She's really good with stories, and she's got this huge personality that just makes you want to hang out with her and be with her.
I'm so excited!
You seem excited, Rachel. You excited?
I'm so excited.
Martina, who is Dreaming and Wandering on IG, her work is exactly like her name. She wanders around and she produces this really dreamy quality of work that is almost a little bit fantasy, but it's not really. It's just how she sees things. She's just so appreciative of the beauty around her, and you can totally see that reflected in her work.
We walked all around this frozen lake and saw these bubble formations. I decided that I wanted to get a little creative because Martina was interested in taking portraits. So she had me laying down on the ice and bubbles were all around my head. And she started taking pictures of me like from above. So she would like stand in front of me and then hold her camera up like this and take pictures. It was really fun to just get creative with someone.
And Charlotte Savley, who goes by Charlotte Little Wolf on IG, she also is more of a travel adventure photographer. I think that all of her work makes you just want to get out there and explore. She's a really strong inspiration for women who are also interested in traveling and exploring.
Hey, Charlotte.
Hey.
Hey.
How you doing? Sledding.
Girl, that's awesome, girl.
These are all women that inspire me to get out there and work and create and collaborate. And they're all women who are there to support other women. So I'll be running more of these workshops in the Canadian Rockies over the coming months. We will be doing a lot of the same things that I did with the girls here this week. We'll be staying at the Emerald Lake Lodge. There'll be lots of photography and lots of adventures. We'll be doing a hike with the wolves and different kinds of shooting. So if we have the opportunity to do night shooting, we'll do night shooting. But really the whole goal is to build a community of support and inspiration with other women.
What we got there, Rachel?
Kelly and I hanging out on the ice bubbles.
Crazy. There are bubbles under
Look at
us.
this. They're floating by us. So Tracy, get anything good? What'd you say? Get anything good? Yes, lots. Oh my God.